You can expect a lot from the 2018 Honda CR-V. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, heated front and rear seats, a power liftgate, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.